What's going on, guys? Markie from the YouTube channel Online Certification Courses. Come and check out these 3 home-based business ideas that you can get certified in and start making money right away. Please make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, comment below as to what you want to get certified in. I could personally send you a link to check out. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any training courses you may want to pick up. So without any further ado, let's start with the intro. Come and check out these 3 home-based business ideas if you're ready to be in control of your own dollars. Hey, what's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. Here I will give you a quick rundown to 3 home-based business ideas you can get certified in and start freelancing your services out. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be in the description below. Please make sure you like the tutorial if it was informative, subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending courses that you may want to pick up, and comment below as to what you would like to get certified in and I could personally send you a link to check out. So let's get started. So the first one, virtual assistant. There are scores of employers seeking virtual assistants for all kinds of jobs. If you have been contemplating becoming a virtual assistant yourself, you have been wondering how to get started, this online virtual assistant certification is for you. While it's not mandatory for virtual assistants to be certified, it certainly is very beneficial for business and freelancing prospects. Showing that you have been certified gives confidence to the client and hiring managers that your working skills have been assessed by a reputed third party and that you possess the essential knowledge and skills to manage tasks remotely. The virtual assistant course will start off as to what virtual assistants do. After that is out of the way, you will go over marketing, management, planning, learning the key concepts. If you're ready to run your virtual assistant as a business, this course will show you how to name your business so it gets the most exposure. It will show you how to fill out the forms of ownership, how to obtain the taxes and federal ID numbers. There will also be a lesson on how to set up your virtual office, meaning furniture, equipment, software, and don't forget homeowner insurance to cover all of this business accessories. So you have your paperwork in order, virtual office set up now you're ready to have some clients. The online course will show you how to reach out to potential clients that may need your service, and with being certified, you can use those credentials as leverage to reel them in. Once again, though not mandatory to have the certification, but it do help when the client is requesting your skill set. Once you get your clients, there will be a lesson in pricing your services, setting fees, getting paid, bookkeeping, and so much more, such as setting up independent contractor agreements, non-disclosure agreements, and business ethics. Move on to number 2, administrative assistant. Come and learn what admin assistants are, the kind of service they provide, the necessary skills that are required to become an admin assistant, and the many benefits that come with becoming an admin assistant. The course will start off with the job responsibility, which will cover office administration, which is office management. You will learn office terminology, types of business organizations, and operation functions. You will learn data management tools such as computer security, text editor, word processor, formatting documents, and of course using the internet. You will get the introduction for the need of planning, time estimation, planning the project, and task delegation. Learn how to effectively manage business documents or letters such as complaints, sales, fundraisers, confirming details. Towards the end of the course, you will learn organization of office activities such as requirements for conference organization, video meeting, and scheduling. The bonus will be the tips on how to improve your resume, an effective way to find a job. Last one, number 3, some people are familiar with, eBay marketing course. Having an eBay drop-off store is a cheap, quick, and effective way to sell merchandise online. The eBay drop-off store handles the entire selling process from clicking pictures of the item to be sold, creating effective lists, monitoring auctions, processing payments, and packaging to shipping the items to the person who wins the bid. The eBay drop-off store are franchises and follows a particular business model. As an eBay drop-off store owner, you will have to answer queries from potential buyers, list the items in a proper category for maximum exposure, collect the money. After the product gets sold, The best part about the eBay drop-off store is that you get to start your own a store and a business without having to stock any inventory. Any business online or not requires you to take some common first steps. Picking a name, deciding on a structure, and figuring out all the financial and legal aspects are all important investments in your future success. This lesson will walk you through all of these basics. The course will show you how to set up a marketing plan to keep business coming through the door. Do you know how to set up a contract and quote service fees? Most of the students do not. The course will show you why you need to write contracts, quote fees, and control the inventory to maximize your efficiency. You will learn how to create listings that stand out from the crowd. This lesson will look at some of the secrets for creating catchy titles, dynamic descriptions, and sizzling listings. Along the way, you will pick up the insider tips that will make the process a lot easier. To protect your business and investment, you will learn how to face some unexpected setbacks, from handling non-paying bidders to avoiding scams and frauds in this final lesson. Today, you have the 3 home-based business ideas from yours truly, Markie Williams. Many thanks for taking some time out to check out my tutorial. Please feel free to check out my many other certification courses that I may have on here as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on any certification trend or online courses you may want to take up. If you find this tutorial informative, once again, please make sure you smush that like button so I know I'm heading in the right direction, and surely comment below as to what you would like to get certified in. I can send you a link personally to check out. You can check me out on Facebook, Markie Williams. There, I also have an online certification course you can like and follow. So once again, many thanks, Markie Williams, and I'm out.